Hello, everyone. I'm John from Amore CNC. Have you ever encountered imperfections at the junctions of corners and straight lines, or corners and curves when using an oscillating knife cutting machine? Stay tuned to this video, especially for a crucial tip at the end. One common reason for these imperfections is the lack of an essential optimization in your design file. Let's open our design in the Xiao software, go to View, and select Show Start. You might notice two starting points on a shape that should be closed, indicating the shape isn't fully sealed. How to solve it? First, click on Optimize and select Merge Linked. You'll see some parts of the shape have optimized, but others might remain open. Click Optimize again, choose Merge Near, and in the dialog box that appears, enter one in near dist, then click OK. At this point, most shapes will be optimized, but some might still be open. Zoom in on these areas to find any significant drawing errors and address them as follows. To add a point, select Status, then Add Point, and click on the shape where you want the new point. To delete a problematic line, choose Status, then Delete Line, and click on the line to remove it. To draw a new line, select Status, then Draw Line, and click at the start and end points of where you want the line to be. Finish by choosing Optimize and Merge Near to close the shape. Finally, to ensure a flawless cut, click Optimize, select Change Start, Line Mid to shift all starting points to the middle of a line. This last optimization ensures your cutting paths are perfectly set up. After these adjustments, click Send to forward the design to your machine and perform a cutting test. The results should now be impeccable, both in starting point placement and in cross-section quality. Did you find this video helpful? Amore CNC aims to provide the most valuable YouTube content for oscillating knife cutter users. For more tips on using your cutting machine, follow our YouTube channel. Feel free to post your questions in the comments below, and we'll address them in future videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.